Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you trendy bright purple color blouse with contrast silk sarees ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, the lovely purple color blouse goes very well with a traditional silk sarees. When you paired purple blouse with a silk saree, it gives you luxury and sophistication look. Upper intricate embroidery are embossed on the blouse to add a extra glamorous to your look. From traditional saree work to modern work, the options are endless. Sometimes simplicity is the ultimate form of beauty. Wearing a plain purple blouse with a silk saree can create a strictly contrast that effectiveness attention. Experiment with a unique sleeve design, neckline design, and back neck design to make a statement without saying a word. Friends, the bright purple color blouse add a royal touch to any outfit. When you paired with luxury silk saree with purple color blouse. Friends, a purple color blouse paired with pink color saree in a contemporary colors can create a harmonious ensemble. Play a different shade of purples or experiment with contrast colors saree to find the perfect balance between style and fashion. When it's come to styling a purple color blouse with a purple color silk saree, it's a crucial role in enhancing the overall appeal of our blouse with intricate mirror work, embroidery work, sequence work, or cut work detailing to add a touch of glamorous to your outfit. Make a bold statement with a purple color blouse dot with a intricate royal blue saree. These contrast of color add a more touch to your overall look. This kind of combination perfect suitable for wedding and grand celebration. Friends, purple color blouse with multicolored traditional silk saree featuring elegant purple accent. This kind of combination is timeless design, exude grace and sophistication. This combination perfect choice for formal occasion. Friends, enhance your ethnic look with a purple blouse adorned with intricate peak of modi embroidery in shade of blue or purple. These kind of designs is timeless. This kind of design is adding a glamorous look to your entire artist. Friends, make a fashion and style statement with a contrast border silk purple blouse featuring stunning purple details. This kind of bold contrast combination between the purple border and the blouse add a visual interest to your saree ensemble. Make it a captivating choice for special occasion. Friends, if you pairing with a purple blouse with vibrant green color saree is a to make head turn. Play with contrasting purple with green color saree and intricate patterns to achieve a striking visual appeal. Nowadays, puff sleeves are in trend. Friends, make a bold fashion and style statement at beginning with a combination of red saree paired with a purple color blouse. Whether you were prefer traditional or contemporary design, the purple color blouse saree combination to suit everybody taste and occasion. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and occasion. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.